Question 11. A rectangular chocolate bar consists of a grid of congruent chocolate squares. The bar can be broken into two pieces by snapping it along a grid line. Neil breaks off a strip of chocolate that is 2 squares wide and eats the 12 squares he obtains. Later, from the same bar, Jack breaks off a strip of chocolate that is 1 square wide and eats the 9 squares he obtains. How many squares of chocolate are left in the bar? Since we know that Neil broke off a strip of chocolate that is 2 squares wide, and there were 12 squares, we know it was 6 squares long, so we can draw this, a 2 by 6 square. Next, we know that Jack broke off a strip of chocolate that was 1 square wide and 9 squares long, so we draw this next to this square, since it has to be one solid piece of chocolate. Now, we can fill in the gaps of what was missing from the chocolate bar. If we take away the chocolate that was already eaten by Neil and Jack, then we are left with the remaining bar. If we count up all the squares that are left, we get 5 and 9. All we have to do now is multiply these and get our solution, how many chocolate squares are left. And we get our answer, D, 45.